Morning mist shrouds the mammoth herd, moving slowly across frozen plains. Mammoths are the legends of survival in the history. They struggle through deep snow, tusks clashing as rivals challenge each other. Harsh snowstorms whip violently, forcing the herd forward through relentless cold. A mother shields her calf from biting wind and frost that pierces each step. Every movement is cautious as the herd presses silently across the frozen land. Distant predators watch from icy ridges, eyes fixed on signs of weakness. River ice cracks beneath their massive feet, echoing through the frozen valley. Auroras ripple across dark skies, storms swirling as the herd continues forward. The old matriarch climbs alone, leading the herd through the fading dusk light. Wolves circle in shadowed hollows, tension gripping every moving mammoth. Young mammoths play cautiously, learning survival amidst danger at every turn. Ash drifts from distant volcanic eruptions, marking peril along their icy path. The ice bridge trembles beneath the synchronized steps of the massive herd. Shadows stretch long as mammoths continue their ancient, treacherous migration. Sun sets and the mammoths vanish into the endless frozen wilderness.